Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Are you looking to level up your website design skills and make your Squarespace pages truly stand out? In today's video, I'm going to guide you through using Fluid Engine, Squarespace 7.1's powerful, free-form layout editor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand exactly how to build visually dynamic, custom layouts on both desktop and mobile, and you'll be confident in taking full control over every aspect of your site's design. So let's jump right in. First, let's talk about what Fluid Engine actually is. If you've built on Squarespace before, you might remember the old grid system, where everything was locked into tidy rows and columns. Fluid Engine replaces that with a much more flexible drag-and-drop workspace. Think of it like the difference between playing chess versus painting on a canvas. You can move, layer, and overlap content blocks anywhere you like, and even set up separate layouts for desktop and mobile devices. That means your site can look sharp and professional across every screen. Alright, let's start with opening a page in the editor. From your Squarespace dashboard, hit Pages, then pick the page you want to edit. Hover over any section and click Edit Section. If the section has been created recently, chances are it's already using Fluid Engine. But if you see an option called Convert to Fluid Engine, go ahead and click that. It just upgrades your old layout to the new editor, and you'll be ready to work with this free-form grid. Next up, adding a section. Hover between existing sections and click the familiar Add Section button, that little plus sign. You can choose a blank section if you want a completely empty canvas, which is great for total creative freedom. Or if you want a head start, select one of the pre-built layouts like About, Contact, or a Hero banner. Once you've picked, you'll notice the grid background appear. That's your Fluid Engine workspace, and it's where all the magic happens. To add actual content, just hover over that grid and click the Add Block icon. From here, you'll see options for text, images, videos, buttons, forms, and even embedded code. Drag your chosen block anywhere on the grid. Try moving it around to see how much flexibility you really have. If you want extra precision, hold down the Shift key while dragging. This lets you nudge things into place in smaller steps, which is especially handy for those perfect alignments. Now, once your blocks are in place, you can move, resize, and align them however you want. Just drag and drop to reposition, or grab the corners and edges to reshape. You'll notice the grid lines helping you stay visually aligned, making sure things look neat and balanced. Want to overlap elements or create layered designs? Right-click a block and use Move Forward or Send Backward. And if you want pixel-perfect placement, turn on the Grid and Snapping option up top. This little toggle keeps everything crisp and clean. If you want your section to pop, you can easily customize backgrounds. Click Edit Section, then Background, and choose a solid color, an image, a video, or even a gradient for a modern feel. You can adjust the overlay, set a focal point for images, and tweak the section's height until it looks just right. Don't be afraid to experiment. Small changes can make a big impact. One of Fluid Engine's best features is its dedicated mobile workspace. Click the mobile icon at the top of the editor, and you'll see how your design looks on phones. Rearrange and resize blocks manually until it fits perfectly. Just a quick heads up, the desktop and mobile layouts are independent, so changes you make on one won't automatically affect the other. Give both views a quick pass to make sure everything's lined up. For those finishing touches, head to Section Settings and dial in your spacing. Padding controls the space inside each section, content width adjusts the margins, and grid gaps keep things tidy. As a general rule, keeping 2 or 3 grid spaces between blocks gives your layout breathing room, so it's easy to read and looks professional. And don't forget about layers and overlaps. You can create eye-catching layouts by stacking text over images. Just add an image block, put a text block on top, and bring the text forward. Adjust the color for contrast, like white text over a dark image, and you've got a modern hero banner or a great call to action section. That's a full walkthrough of Fluid Engine in Squarespace 7.1, a tool that really helps your site break free from the old constraints and look exactly how you imagine. If this was helpful, drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's a particular design trick you want to learn more about next. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!